This is what it looks like before, and this is what it will look like after it's finished. And in today's video, we are going to show you how to install the Evotech tail tidy on the 2025 CBR650R. So the first thing to do is take off your rear pillion seat, and you've got 2 bolts, one here and one here to take off for the main seat. And then, gone. So you have to remove the Allen bolts here, there's 2 on the side here, and then there's these push clips up here, and 2 on the side which you have to remove as well. There's 1, there's 2, 3, and 4. 2 clips down here. There's 1 here and 1 on this side. 1 and 2. So you've got to separate this piece here on both sides. Before you take these 2 clips out, make sure you remove the battery. And then once you've done that, this whole piece should just be removed straight from the back of the bike. And there you go, all done. Now with the tail off, you will have to remove this blue connector, this white connector, and this orange connector. There you go. So once you've done that, you need to remove this bolt here and this bolt here on both sides. And there you go. Okay, so once you've got the factory tail tidy off, you remove these Allen bolts, 8 of them. So 1 there, 2 here, 2 here, and then 2 at the very back. Yeah, I'd probably suggest using like one of these because these bolts on the 25 model are either really loose or really tight. All right, so once you've got all 8 Allen bolts out, you will be left with this. So make sure you put these bolts aside so you just know where it's come from. And then you'll have 2 Phillip head screws here as well. And then this piece, just separate them. There you go. So next you want to remove these 2 bolts that hold the indicators in. There's 1, there's 2. And then once you've taken the bolts out, remove these 2 wires from the rear indicators. You have to remove these brackets as well that hold the factory rubbers in for the rear indicators. These 2 brackets go right here. And then you can pull these indicators, the indicator wires, fully out. And then you'll have to remove these factory rubbers to use in the brand new Evotech tail tidy. And now we can start on the Evotech tail tidy by assembling it piece by piece before we fit it. There'll be two flange nuts that will need to go in the middle of this light. And once you put those 2 bolts inside the license plate light, you've got 2 black screws that will inside these 2 holes here. Now we've put the 2 supplied screws that are for the license plate light. We are now going to tighten those up as well. Same as before, just tighten these up as much as you can. Don't have to over tighten them. So we're going to reinstall the factory rubbers back into the Evotech tail tidy. All right, since you put the grommets back in on the tail tidy, it is time to put the indicators back on. Your blue connector will be on your right side and your orange connector will be on your left side. Make sure you put the metal brackets back in place and then we'll go from there. So before you put these metal brackets in, we need to feed the cables through this tail tidy first. There's 1, there's 2. Now these metal brackets, just push that through there like that, and there you go. Do not use the standard bolts that come out of the original tail tidy. Use the supplied ones that come with this. You just want these as tight as they possibly can go. And there you go. All right, so the next part is going to be probably my worst nightmare. It's cable management. So we're going to make sure that these cables are tucked away nicely underneath this tail tidy so you don't have any exposed wires. And we'll show you how to do that now. This is how we've set it up at the moment, just to tuck the wires away, basically. And then just tie them up from there. So after you've tied up these screws using an Allen key, we will move on to the next stage. All right, so with this, we're going to do orange to black, and green to red. All right, so now we're going to feed the wires into the back of the bike. And now we will put our 2 screws back into the tail. So now the Evotech tail tighter is now installed. All you have to do now is put everything back together. And we're going to show you how to do that as well. Your new license plate light will go into this white one here. And it can't get any more easier. Blue goes to blue, orange goes to orange. There you go. All right, so with all these wires, there is 2 retaining clips here and here, just to tidy up these wires so they're not just like sitting around everywhere. So I'm putting the rear plastics back on, just make sure everything's lined up and everything is back into where it originally was. Just make sure that these 2 pieces on the side are connected to each other, and then we're going to put all the bolts back in. There's one. And now that you've got the battery and the terminals hooked up and the strap back on the battery, it is time to put all the Allen keys back on. Don't forget to put these push clips back here and the 2 on this side. Now the last piece are these 4 bolts, one here, and the 2 on the side. And this is the new Evotech tail tighter installed. And that wraps it up for today's video. If today's video helps you out, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.